Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen, and today I'd like to show you how I made this nice, good, crispy jumbo shrimp. Very delicious and very easy to make. Follow along with me and I'll show you how I made it. Okay, I want to add in one beaten egg, a half a cup of canola oil. Take a whisk, and you want to beat this in real good. Okay, then we're going to add in our cup of milk, followed by about a fourth of seasoned salt, and a little bit of salt, about a half a teaspoon of salt. And now we're going to add in about 1 cup of flour. Okay, we're just going to mix this all together. Okay, after deveining them, we're going to dip all these into here, all these big shrimp. You want to make sure you devein that because you don't want that in your food. I had to pull some more out. Okay, you want to just make sure that you get coated over very well. Very well. Okay, we're going to put 1.5 cups of canola oil into the pot. This is what we're going to fry it in because we don't want to. Okay, we're going to start fry. Put them in like this. Put them into the batter like that. Okay, we'll come back in a moment. There, look at there. That's some crispy ass shrimp. Oh my God, take a look at that. Look at them beautiful shrimp right there. Ain't that just... I gotta do a taste test on this. Try to find a cool one here. This is pretty cool. Down, look at that. Now listen to this. See how crunchy that is? God, it's so tasty. I love shrimp. Anyways, I hope y'all have a wonderful day. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos. I have a video coming out every day. Maybe twice a day. Most of the time, every day I have a video coming out. And stay tuned for my next video tomorrow. And I'll see y'all next time.